Unmanned reconnaissance flights are indispensable when dealing with civil or military conflicts. Whether in peacekeeping missions, military assignments, border controls, or object monitoring. Around the world, the systems made by EMT have proven their worth. Gathering, evaluating, and then applying useful information to reach your goal quickly and without endangering human lives. EMT makes it possible. Luna is ideal for reconnaissance missions that cover large areas. The applications for Aladdin include security checks on objects, harbors, or airports, but also an overview of military operations. Various situations that require a rapidly available microdrone, such as close-up inspections or damage evaluation of bridges and buildings, or further special operations, are the ideal applications of the Fancopter. All these systems have one thing in common. They are all from EMT. EMT is a specialist for drone technology. Working in cooperation with the German Bundeswehr, we are developing innovative and highly economical systems that have set international benchmarks. EMT offers a comprehensive range of skills and expertise for the development of client-oriented solutions for unmanned reconnaissance missions. In addition to development and production, EMT also offers complete logistics support during the entire serviceable life of the drone. Whether in the heat of summer or the cold of winter, at sea level or high up in the mountains, there where other systems fail, Luna is the reliable workhorse. In Afghanistan, Luna provides important reconnaissance information and helps to protect the ISAF troops. Luna was developed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and target identification by day and by night. Luna is a powerful glider made of composite materials, high-tech avionic equipment packed into a minimum of space, digital autopilot, electronic sensors, magnetic compass, flight data and acceleration sensors, differential GPS and motor sensors. The main components of the Luna system are the ground control station, the air vehicles, the launch catapult, and the multiple net landing system. Start and landing only require a few soldiers who can be trained to use the system in a very short space of time. Luna can be launched in any terrain. The air vehicle is quickly positioned on the catapult. The drone is steered using the ground control station. It has a modular structure and can be integrated into a wide range of vehicles. Thanks to its compact construction, an operational system can be easily transported by helicopter. The mission planning can be carried out in the space of a few minutes simply by using a mouse to enter the points along the flight path on the map monitor. The computer program automatically controls the points along the flight path in terms of radio contact and to ensure collision avoidance. After the launch, the drone automatically ascends to the desired altitude and then flies from one point on the flight path to the next. The flight can also be controlled manually at any time. The data link range for the encrypted radio signal is currently more than 80 kilometers. If it is necessary to increase this range, for example on a long coastline or oil pipeline, it is also possible to set up a chain of ground stations 160 to 200 kilometers apart. A reconnaissance drone can easily be retooled to function as a relay drone. This makes it easy to use low-flying reconnaissance drones to carry out highly detailed reconnaissance flights behind a mountain range. One or more observers can evaluate the video material from up to 7 cameras, which is shown in real time on separate monitors. The images and flight data of the entire mission can be saved at the ground station, including all relevant map data for replay and further evaluation at a later time. The EMT imaging software offers a range of image processing possibilities, such as moving target indication, mosaicing, and a modern user-friendly archiving system for the fast retrieval of objects and areas where flight reconnaissance has already taken place. Satellite images can also be included in the navigation. Luna is also perfectly suited for night flights. Through a simple exchange of the workload, infrared cameras can be installed to provide detailed nighttime images in real time. Luna workloads are modular and can easily be adjusted to meet the needs of the current missions without any complicated changes to the air vehicle. Nor are the reconnaissance missions restricted to electro-optical observation systems. An all-weather SAR sensor and a beam radio data relay system are available as a workload for the Luna. The use of a high-resolution digital stills camera delivers top-quality, highly detailed images. Sensors for gases used in chemical warfare, and particle sensors, weather data sensors, and sensors for radioactivity are just a few of the further possibilities that have been selected by EMT as future workloads. Through the use of a mobile net landing system, Luna requires only a minimum of space to land. The net enables the drone to land autonomously, by day or by night, even in the most difficult terrain and weather conditions, whereby Luna can also land using a parachute. Luna is a heavy-duty system that has been tried and tested in the field and successfully completes around 1,000 missions every year. Through its daily reconnaissance missions, Aladdin has been playing an important role in the protection of the troops in Afghanistan for several years now. Aladdin was designed to meet the needs of the German Bundeswehr and has proven itself in the field. More than 100 systems have already been delivered. Aladdin was developed to meet the demands of daily reconnaissance work, both day and night. Despite its small size, Aladdin is a high-performance UAV system. Innovative solutions have made it possible to give Aladdin capabilities that are usually only associated with larger UAV systems. The Aladdin reconnaissance system consists of a ground station and several aviation devices. The transport box has the size of a large briefcase. The flight path is determined by points along the route which are entered through a touch screen. The flight paths can be determined with the help of digital maps or through the use of aerial and satellite photographs. The system can be functional within 5 minutes. Aladdin is launched by one soldier. A second soldier looks after the ground station. No aviation experience is necessary in order to be able to fly Aladdin. After being launched by hand, Aladdin automatically flies to the predetermined points on the flight path right up until landing. The radio link has a range of 15 kilometers, and the drone can fly for more than 1 hour. The soldier at the ground station evaluates the video images. The operating device is the interface between the operator and the machine. It offers the operator the necessary tools to choose the flight path and to change between the various camera perspectives in order to survey the surrounding territory. The route can be changed at any time during the flight. This can also be done directly via the real-time video image. The entire mission is saved at the ground station, enabling a later evaluation of the mission. Daylight sensors for the pilot's view, the view to the side, and vertically below the drone ensure an excellent overview. For night flights, the system uses a high-resolution infrared sensor. A high-resolution digital camera can also be integrated into the machine. It is possible to zoom in on the images of this camera, giving the viewer precise details from a height of 100 meters. Aladdin lands at the pre-selected landing point. The motor stops and the drone lands in a stable mush. 2 landing dampers absorb the landing energy. Aladdin is a cost-efficient and highly effective drone system that enables real-time reconnaissance in every terrain, by day and by night. Thanks to its small size, when packed away, Aladdin can be taken along on any mission. The minimum of time and energy required to run the system and its low costs make Aladdin a natural reconnaissance instrument for almost all kinds of troops and for many civilian applications. Fancopter was designed for tasks in urban areas, for special operations, close-up inspections, or damage assessment on bridges, shutdown factories, or high buildings. Fancopter can look into windows. It can even fly into buildings and through the corridors and rooms. Fancopter has an intelligent autopilot so that the operator does not have to be a helicopter pilot to carry out these missions. Fancopter is a product of EMT. As a member of a very successful UAV family, Fancopter profits from its Big Brother system's know-how. The main components of the Fancopter system are the aviation device and the ground control station. For this aviation device, EMT had to develop many brand new components. The configuration of the aviation device is unique. It combines the capability of carrying a high working load with a design that takes up a minimum of space. Can be equipped with many different high-performance sensors that ensure a live video broadcast. The flying time of 25 minutes can be extended to several hours by using a position with a good overview as a parking position for stationary observation. In closed, shielded rooms, it is possible to use a glass fiber module that provides direct, trouble-free connectivity to the ground station. The various workloads can be exchanged to meet the needs of the mission with plug-and-play simplicity. This includes wide-angle and telephoto lenses in a sensor unit or an infrared sensor. High-resolution images, for example, to inspect the cracks in the structure or to identify a license plate can be taken with a digital camera. chemical sensors can also be used. The fan copter can fly right into a contaminated zone to carry out the necessary measurements. All flight data is recorded digitally and can subsequently be used for evaluation. The software installed in the ground station, which has been developed especially for the fan copter, makes it easy to control the aviation device and to evaluate the data. After the mission, all it takes is a quick change of the rechargeable batteries and the device is ready to fly again. EMT is a specialist for drone technology and can also supply comprehensive logistical support. This includes training, maintenance, and repairs, as well as service and documentation. Fancopter is a complete system for reconnaissance in urban areas.
The Musako system, multiple sensor copter. Musako is an unmanned helicopter reconnaissance and surveillance system. Due to the EMT family concept, it can also easily be integrated into the Luna UAV system, giving the Luna operator additional helicopter mission capabilities. Musako operates with the same ground control station, data link, and payloads as the Luna system. The Musako drone system. Musako is a highly efficient, easy-to-operate, unmanned VTOL aerial reconnaissance system. This system combines mission-tested avionics and system components of EMT's Luna UAV system with the innovative VTOL platform concept of a Swiss helicopter company. Modular payloads like EOIR or SAR sensors allow for the most diverse applications in the field of fully autonomous night and day reconnaissance and surveillance missions, data link relay operation, or the support of rescue missions. Musako stands for Reconnaissance, Surveillance, and Target Identification in Real Time, multi-role mission capability during day and night, all-weather and all-terrain missions, ship operation, flight endurance of more than 3 hours, data link range exceeding 100 kilometers, heavy fuel operation, modular system for fast maintenance, and fully autonomous takeoff, flight, and landing. No pilot skills required.